Davis spoke with a Watford City area rancher about how the blizzard has affected his herd.
We've been very thankful for the moisture part of this, but it has come at a very challenging time of the year due to all the calves being born right now.
Conditions outside are not just treacherous for people, but for animals as well.
The wind has been the most difficult aspect of this just because it chills calves right away, and so it's hard to keep them warm.
And with the blizzard, he says he's had to move part of his herd inside, though there isn't room for every animal.
Every calf that is 5 days old and older, we've provided them shelter away from the wind, away from the snow, and we have a place that they can go, but the cows can't. And so the cows wait outside, and when the calf gets hungry, hopefully it's able to go out and find the right mother.
Stenberg says if the weather doesn't get to the calves, they could face another danger.
I've never seen a blizzard like this, especially this time of year, where the cows that are outside, they're almost standing right on top of each other. And so there'll probably be some cases in the state where calves have been trampled, even day-old or older calves.
One thing that he says will help is having faith.
For those that aren't ranchers, we do appreciate all the words of encouragement, all the prayers that have been said for us. They work. That's been good to hear. For people that are ranchers, it's tough, and yeah, you got to have faith.
For KX News, I'm Lauren Davis.
According to NDSU Extension, extreme weather conditions could cause frostbite in newborn calves. The best defense in this type of weather is plenty of bedding. Flights